Hey YouTube, MRT Stacking here. I haven't put a video out in a little while, but figured we're going to do a little family time down here in San Antonio, so I'd put a video out with the river walk for a few minutes, give everybody a look around. They said everything was closed, but there was no signs or nothing saying, to not come down here. And there's a bunch of other people walking, so San Antonio is a pretty nice place. First time I've ever been down here. If you've never been down here, I'd definitely recommend it. A whole little duck family swimming around down here. Alamo's all closed, so they don't want you to let you in there. But it's kind of chilly today. The weather's about 73. Still nicer than up in New York. So I'll get back to you when we see some more interesting stuff.
Pretty neat though. Yeah. But we did get to have pictures like on the outside.
I gotta say, I'm not a big city folk, but this is actually really nice. They did this place up really nice. Beautiful place. I can imagine when everything's open, and it'd be hard to walk through here, but perfect timing for me because I'm not a big people fan and there's no people here, so I'm doing good. But all right, everybody, well, I'll get back to you later with some more stuff, but I just wanted to put a quick video out there and show you what we're doing during quarantine. Show me what yous are doing. Be safe, everybody.